Guys, we are back with a new set of great tools and gadgets that are worth buying. All the links of the products will be in the description below. Let us know in the comment section which gadget you would like to see in our next video. Thank you and subscribe. So off today with this $27 semiconductor phone cooler. It is just a fan blowing the air to take away the heat from the phone. When you mount it on your phone and get it plugged, the pretty chip will release heat to become cold and transfer the coldness to the back of your phone. Through the aluminum plates, the upgrade fan bubbles allow for more intake and to provide better airflow through the air unleashed on the side of the radiator. It enables you to play mobile game and also work for hours without getting worried about overheat. Next, we have a Bumbo charging station for multiple devices. It has 7 slots charging station could hold 8 devices. In usual organizing your characterized devices nearly and perfectly, which is compatible with all devices. There are anti-slip mats on the bottom to make sure your phone's charging stand healthier in daily using. Therefore, 5 slots are 0.68 inches in wide. They are suitable to hold tablet and phone even with the protective case. The last 2 slots are 1.1 inch in width. They could even hold a laptop. We have a Zenvo Pro lens kit for your smartphone. This kit has good lens and an LED that helps enhance your smartphone photos. We put together an excellent package with only 2 lenses, the addition of the clip on the light as well as the design accessory for storing and carrying its components, making it convenient to use. Title 18 Bluetooth tracker. It lets you monitor the location of whatever you are attached to from your phone, tablet or computer. iPhone users should choose the Apple AirTag, which enjoys a hug network of Apple devices to passively search for lost goods, enable precision finding features. If you use an Android phone, you can go with the Title tracker. The Travel tracker is the best option for those who don't use Apple phones. A DOS Soundbox Touch Portable Wireless Speaker. The real appeal of the DOS Soundbox 12-watt speaker lies in its ability to deliver full sound with dramatically deeper bass. It's profitable, lasts long battery and metallic design with perfect audio for both indoor and outdoor. Music is the words unspoken, and DOS box translate the words beautifully into our ears. Next up, we have a Power Premium Pouch Organizer. It is a small portable bag that protects and secures your gadget, e.g. USB chargers, extension cords, adapter plugs, hard disks and flash drive, etc. All organized in one place. When you are on a move, it also keeps your valuable electronic accessories safe while optimizing your bag space. This laptop backpack is water resistant with a USB charging port. One separate laptop compartment holds a 15.6 inches with a 15 inches laptop. Front compartment with many pockets and key forbes. It also has a controller for charging your electronic devices via connecting your own power bank with a fixed anti-theft password lock and a durable metal zipper. Anything can fit into this bag. Next, we have a Bluetooth shower speaker. The waterproof 5-watt speaker can be easily attached to a glass, ceramic or a smooth surface such as shower wall, bathroom mirror, kitchen counter and desktops. or anywhere you want. It will provide you with up to 10 hours of playtime, compatible with any smartphone devices and Alexa, all with a quick stable connection. You can easily enjoy your waterproof shower speaker. It's a truly unique and memorable gift for any young or old person. We have a Bluetooth speaker with a flame effect light. If you like something that has fun light and stereo sound, the waterproof wireless speaker sets a romantic atmosphere and provides a pretty decent sound. Many LED flickers like a candle, which is true life. The wireless speaker combines perfectly modern inward 96 LED lights and vintage bumbo art wave lampshade.